He baked off the cakes in the oven. Bake off. Bake off. The chicken soup's almost boiled away. Boil away. Boil away.
They boil down the syrup until it is very thick. Boil down. Boil down. That saucepan is boiling over. Boil over. Boil over.
Megan was busy chopping up onions. Chop up. Chop up. You should cut the tops off the carrots first. Cut off. Cut off.
She cut several pieces of cake out. Cut out. Cut out. He cut onion up into little pieces. Cut up. Cut up.
Let's fry some eggs up for dinner. Fry up. Fry up. She sliced off a piece of sausage. Slice off. Slice off.
She whipped up a delicious dinner for us in 20 minutes. Whip up. Whip up. Please peel the papery skin off the clove of garlic. Peel off. Peel off.
There's a healthy mix of fruits and vegetables in the buffet. Mix in. Mix in.
You can just warm up the leftovers from yesterday's meal in the microwave. Warm up. Warm up.
Before you begin, thaw the chicken out for several hours. Thaw out. Thaw out.
When I lived in Sydney, I used to eat out all the time. Eat out. Eat out. Eat up. We've got to go out soon. Eat up. Eat up.
She bolted down her lunch and rushed back to work. Bolt down. Bolt down. Most of the time she just picks at her food. Pick at. Pick at. She is always pigging out. Pig out. Pig out.
Bake off. Boil away. Boil down. Boil over. Chop up. Cut off. Cut out. Cut up. Fry up. Pick at. Slice off. Whip up. Peel off. Mix in. Warm up. Thaw out. Eat out. Eat up. Bolt down. Pig out.
Learn English with native speakers. English Free Channel.